this tutorial you will learn how to create fingerprint icon in Adobe Illustrator. Pick the ellipse tool and draw a circle of 300 by 300 pixels. Draw one more circle 30px by 30px. Select both circles and align them to center. Select both circles and go to Object Greater than Blend options. Now select Make Blend. Go to Object and select Expand and hit OK. Pick Selection tool and select 5 circles from the center. Hold down the Alt key and drag to copy them. Right-click and select Ungroup. Select the Quick Selection tool and follow the process. Select the round corner and stoke properties. Draw a circle. Select all, and pick the Shape Builder tool. Follow the same process. Press Delete. Select Scissor tool and delete some parts of the circles. Go to Object and select Expand. Apply gradient and pick colors. Please subscribe my channel.